over here. Oh, the back, bro.
My man.
I don't love you in the first place, alright? Don't call me. Who the fuck is this? Fuck you, alright.
This is my son right here, Tino.
What's up? We back? We back? Shout out,
Whatever, you know.
Well,
my son,
what the fuck happened to the music? Put the
Shout
music
out.
on. God damn it.
Shout out to my cousin, her name, or her sister, my sister. She had a little seal, so I bought her seal.
Oh shit.
Whatever.
Alright, we're over here rocking the snapbacks, bruh. Woo! Gotta put the baseball cap on. Shout out to everybody on Facebook. Like this, man.
Call me your daddy.
L-I-K-E. Make that like, man.
Don't do that, bro. You can get your ass
I
beat.
said I'm sorry.
We out here rocking those pumpkin patches on our heads, you know, anteater snapbacks.
Hell yeah, man. What are you doing? Bruh, that's
Didn't make the World Series this year.
1999 right here, bruh. You already know. You can find it at Walmart, you know. Comes with the bat and the ball.
Raiders sunglasses. Raiders.
Fuck the Raiders. Fuck the Raiders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Young Styling over here, you know.
You already know.
Gordito ya
I think
otra vez.
I think this guy deserves a hug. Come here. You already know.
You know, what game.
Yeah, bruh. No one saw that shit, bruh. No one saw that. Okay, you can stop this shit.